Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study in university. First, establish a clear study routine by creating a weekly schedule. Allocate 2 to 3 hours per course to ensure adequate preparation. Next, set specific, achievable goals for each study session to keep you focused and motivated. Finally, identify your personal peak productivity times and schedule your most demanding academic tasks during those periods for optimal learning. To truly master university material, active learning is crucial. Don't just passively read. Engage with the content by asking yourself questions and actively seeking a deeper understanding. After each lecture or reading assignment, take time to summarize the key concepts in your own words. A highly effective method is to teach difficult topics to a peer, as explaining it to someone else significantly solidifies your own comprehension. Effective note-taking and consistent review are cornerstones of academic success. Choose a consistent note-taking method, such as the Cornell system or outlining, to ensure clarity and organization. Make it a habit to review your notes within 24 hours of taking them. This significantly boosts memory retention. Additionally, create flashcards for key terms and concepts, then test yourself regularly to ensure you can recall information quickly and accurately. Effective time management and prioritizing your well-being are essential for sustained success. Prioritize your academic tasks using methods like the Eisenhower matrix to ensure you're focusing on what truly matters. Remember to schedule short breaks, perhaps every 45 to 60 minutes, to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Finally, ensure you get adequate sleep and maintain a balanced lifestyle to support your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.